Hey guys, I'm in the shop right now, and as you can see that check engine light on. As you can also see right here, I can see misfire counting in cylinder 2. Alright guys, let's go under the hood and take a look at something. What do you know, 3.6 Pentastar Gen 3 guys, and like I say, cylinder 2 is actually, ooh, that's counting bad. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remove this cover, we're gonna take cylinder 2 and move the spark plug over on cylinder 4. Cylinder 2 is over here, the intake manifold covers bank 1. Alright guys, what we're about to do is see if the misfire moved from cylinder 2 to cylinder 4. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, now as you can see, yay, we've moved to cylinder 4 guys. So what that means, JT, that means we simply need some spark plugs. We need to do a tune-up on this vehicle guys. Y'all stay tuned for more. I remember this Jeep I did yesterday where I was trying to find out why I had a misfire in cylinder 2. I simply removed the spark plugs out of cylinder 2 and moved it to cylinder 4. And guess what? The misfire followed suit. Alright guys, that means we need spark plugs. We need a tune-up, so I have some parts here to change the oil. Yeah, look at this Mopar guys. We're going to flush the injector system and of course spark plugs and an air filter. What we're trying to do is restore this vehicle back to its peak performance. So guys, let me remind you something as far as tune-up goes. These 3.6 Pentastar, no matter if it's Gen 1, 2, or 3, you should be using factory installed plugs or factory plugs or the plug that the vehicle calls for. In this case, these are Mopar right here. That's the part number. Now you don't technically have to go get Mopar. You have to say Mopar. In fact, the spark plug here is a Mopar. This is the plug that go in this vehicle. But look on the other side of this. Y'all see what that say? Champion, guys. So yeah, you can get Champion of the same kind of plug and it still work. But I highly suggest you use whatever the manufacturer suggests. All right, we're gonna get this thing running right.